Hello everybody. Now we are in the second part of discussions of competitive examination questions. So this question was asked in CSR December 2019. So the major product formed in the following reactions. You can see the first step. So chloroform in the presence of potassium hydroxide, and this is very well known Riemann reaction. They have given four options. So correct answer is option A, because so in Riemann reaction the formylation can takes place. You can get, so with respect to hydroxyl group ortho position can get formyl groups, that is formaldehyde. Can see CHO formylation takes place, and in the second step hydrogen peroxide in sodium hydroxide. You can see the first step is Riemann, second is a Dakin reaction. So we have seen this in the discussion part. So what happens? This CHO group has been transformed into hydroxy group in Dakin reaction. So this is the mechanism. You can see the first step is Riemann reaction. Ortho formylation can get a CHO group is there. Can have a formylation at ortho position. You can get here or in this position. In the second step, hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide, this is a Dakin reaction, and this CHO has been transformed into hydroxyl group. And the next question. So the major product formed in the following reaction sequence. So this question was asked in CSIR June 2019. And look at this. This is sodium cyanoborohydride. This is a reducing reagent, and they have given the pH of 4 in acidic medium. And we know the sodium cyanoborohydride, the role is the reduction of ketone into alcohol in the presence of ester. This is selective reduction. So this is the options. You can check which is the correct one. So reduction of ketone into alcohol. So this keto group can be reduced into alcohol. This ester group is not affected. But look at this, in option 1 the ester is also reduced. In option 2 the ester group is also reduced, hence 1 is not correct, 2 is also not correct. So here can have 3 or 4. And why 3 is the correct answer? Look at the stereochemistry of this hydroxyl group. So this ester is in the back side, that is behind the plane, and hence reduction takes place in the front side. So OH in the wedge position, and hence option 4 is not also correct. This is the correct answer. So this question was asked in June 2019. The major product A and B in the following reaction sequence. You can see the first step is sodium cyanide. This is a benzoin condensation, and you can see manganese dioxide. This can be used for oxidation of allylic or benzylic alcohols. So they have given four options. So I will explain with the mechanism here. So correct answer is option 4. Look at this. So the first step, benzaldehyde in the presence of sodium cyanide, there is a possibility. There is a benzoin condensation takes place. You can get alpha hydroxy ketone as the product. So benzoin condensation is a nucleophilic attack of cyanide ion. Here you can see there is a reversal of polarity. So first in this electrophilic carbon, and it form a nucleophilic carbon, and this is the speciality of benzoin condensation. So there is a reversal of polarity. And in the second step, manganese dioxide, so this can be used for the oxidation of benzylic or allylic. Here you can see this is benzylic hydroxyl group can be oxidized into keto group. And in the second step they have given sodium hydroxide. So this will be the product. And the second 10th question. So this question was asked in June 2018 CSIR examination, the major product. So look at this, manganese dioxide. So this can be used for the selective oxidation of allylic or benzylic. Here you can see two hydroxyl groups are there, but this is allylic position. You can see they have given four options. So allylic oxidation can take place. This OH group can be oxidized into CHO, and in the second step, what happens? There is a cyclization to form a lactone. Here, so this is the first step. So this OH, this allylic OH can be oxidized into CHO, and there is a cyclization takes place to the hydroxyl group, and you can get lactone as the product. Here option 3 is correct one. 2 is not correct because both hydroxyl groups are oxidized to give CHO, and here can get hydroxyl group is there. You may confused with option 1 and 3. So here in option 3, so the keto group is left side to the oxygen atom, and here the keto group is right side to the oxygen atom. So look at the product here where this keto group is there, and only in carbon in aldehyde only there is a keto group, and here there is oxygen. So with respect to the oxygen, the left hand side should be the keto group, and hence option 3 is correct. So this question was asked in June 2012 CSIR examinations. The major product formed in the following reaction sequence. You can see. So the first step is the trifluoroacetic acid. So we know the role of peracid. This is a peracid. It will give a epoxide when it is treated with alkene, or it can give ester when it is treated with carbonyl group, carbonyl compounds. So in this question, they have given alkenes. So in the first step, what happens? Peracids give epoxide. So epoxidation can take place. In the second step, there is a hydrolysis. Then epoxide bonds are cleaved to give diol. Here, so the ring opening of epoxide to give a trans diol, and you can see. So option C is not correct because this is a cis diol. Option B is also not possible. This is also a cis diol, and you can have A or D. But look at this, the bridgehead position. Here there is a methyl group. Okay, so this is the point where we have to differentiate option A and D. So D is the correct product. And look at this example. Look at this question, CSIR June 2012. The major product. So the first step, this is a Birch reduction. Second step is metachloroperbenzoic acid. So epoxidation can take place. So these are all the four options. So first step is, as I said earlier, Birch reduction in the presence of liquid ammonia, lithium, and tertiary alcohol. Second step is the epoxidation reaction. Look at this. So Birch reduction, this is the product, and we have discussed this metachloroperbenzoic acid. So this will give epoxidation. Here you can see there are two carbon-carbon double bonds are there. Which carbon-carbon double bonds are epoxidized? So the more electron rich compared to methyl group, methoxy groups are electron donating, much more electron donating to this carbon-carbon double bond, and this is more electron rich, and this double bond can get epoxidized to give this product, and hence option C is the correct. And this question was asked in June 2013 examinations. Which one of the following statements is true for the following transformation? They have given four statements. We have to identify the correct one. So we know the role of beta-chloroperbenzoic acid, that's epoxidation, and aqueous hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide. This is also epoxidation, but selectively to alpha beta unsaturated position. Okay. So answer is option D. You can check. So A is a major product. You can see. So this is alpha beta unsaturated position. So this is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. If it is B is a major product, what happens? And we have to look at the stereochemistry of these two. Here isopropene unit with respect to this, and this will be the major product. A is the major product because of opposite stereochemistry of epoxide to this isoprene unit. And then aqueous hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide, that's alpha beta unsaturated positions, can be epoxidized. If I use metachloroperbenzoic acid, this epoxidation can takes place in the isolated alkene, so it will not do anything with the alpha beta unsaturated position. So option A and B is not the correct one. Option C, you may confuse with option C and D. So C is not possible because they have given B is the major product. You can look at the stereochemistry of this isopropene and this one. So this should be opposite stereochemistry. Hence, A is the major product and suitable reagent is aqueous hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide. And so this is a question asked in CSIR December 2012. The major product. So this is similar to previous questions. Previously we have discussed this. So they have given four options. First step is the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. What happens? So formylation to ortho position of this hydroxyl group, this phenolic OH. Here or here there is a formylation. Okay. So CHO here or here. The second step is the Dakin reaction. So CHO group can be converted into hydroxyl group, and hence answer is option B. So this is not possible because here there is a carboxylic acid product, and C is also not possible. You can see there is a carboxylic acid in methyl. It can be affected by the presence of potassium permanganate. This is a side chain oxidation, and D is also not possible because there is no aromatic ring. Hence correct answer is option B. Thank you so much.